How to log out of Robinhood account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to log out of your Robinhood account. In order to log out of your Robinhood account, first of all, go to open up your application. When you open up, then you need to go ahead and enter in the password or the passcode that you've created, and it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. While you're on this page, tap the trap bar icon from the top right and scroll down right to the bottom. You can see this option is remove wallet. You could go ahead and press on it, but then before you sign out of your account or before you delete or any of these, make sure to back up your security phases. So go ahead and click on backup, and then you need to go to security, or you just have to go ahead and select all of these, and you need to go ahead and enable, or you need to check all of these. After you're done copying the wallet address, then scroll down or swipe back and then go to remove wallet. So you're about it, click on remove, and now type in the password that is associated with your account. And as you can see that you've successfully logged out of your Robinhood account. Log out of your Robinhood account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.